Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be packing for my trip to Chicago. I'm actually filming this video in my hotel room already. The reason I'm doing my intro again is because I didn't like my first intro, so I had to do it again. But I'm going to be showing you what I did before coming here, packing, washing at the stores, because yeah, it was kind of crazy that day, so I didn't really like my intros. So I have my suitcase ready, but I need to get it like filled with stuff because it's like empty and I haven't gotten anything out from my closet. It's still the same. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll go ahead and clean it. But yeah, the reason why I'm going out of town is because there's gonna be my cousin's 15 all the way into Chicago. We don't live nearby, so yeah, I have to go and travel for that. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started packing, washing stuff, because I have to wash. I have to go to stores and get stuff. So I'll probably film at the stores if I don't get like too shy.
3 hours later.
So it is 6:47, and the last time y'all saw that clip was like around 2, and I still haven't done anything. When I mean anything, I haven't washed, packed, or get out my clothes from the closet that I'm gonna be wearing in the trip. So let's see if I have enough time to do everything now.
A few minutes later.
I'm gonna wash this one too, because that's gonna be the shirt for it, the quinceañera. And then this is gonna be also another shirt I need to wash. I already got my outfits kind of choose. I'm not like a dress up person, so I'm just gonna take like 2 polos, and then the rest are like dressing shirts, like sleeping shirts and things that I kind of like wearing because they're comfortable. I like being comfortable. That's like my first priority, and that's already washed. I made sure to wash it before like putting it. And now I'm kind of choosing my hoodies. This one is one of my favorite ones because it says Texas and then the brand logo, so I'll probably take that one also. So yeah, this is all I have to wash. Probably wash more, but yeah, this is all dirty and I need to wash it again before packing it. Now my only concern is like, is everything gonna fit in here? It's like a small bag, but hopefully it will. And I'll see you guys in a bit once once I put everything to wash, and I'll see you guys in my laundry room. But oh my god. Okay, crazy. Okay. Let me get to washing. Fast speed mode enabled. Oh, excuse me. What are you doing? What are you eating? Wait, what is that? Okay. Okay, big girl. You do you. It's raining forever in Texas now. Okay, so I already put everything to wash. And now the things that I don't have to wash, I'm gonna start packing them already before I finished packing. Right here, everything's already packed. I'm just waiting on the other load to finish cleaning, washing, I mean. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for packing. I finished packing, washing. So now we just have to wait for tomorrow.
1 hour later.
You guys remember the last clip where I said I was done for the day? They just told me I have to get ready because we have to go to Boot Barn now. I'm gonna go like this. Who let the dogs out? Anyways, the only reason I'm going is because I need to make a return. These shoes are not it, so I don't like them, and I'm gonna go ahead and return them because I didn't like them. I'm gonna go ahead and make the return, come back, shower. Boo guys, I ended up parking DreamWorks. But anyways, I ended up getting here because I'm looking at Halloween.
Anyways.
A few minutes later.
Alright you guys, I'm back home. My phone ran out of storage, so I had to stop it filming. But I'm gonna go ahead and shower. Guys, so it's currently 11:29 p.m. and I already showered. I don't feel different or anything, but I already showered and I have to wake up at 6 in the morning. Like, who made those times? But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next morning.
It's the next day and it's barely. Wait, what time is it? It's currently 7:23 in the morning. And I had to wake up at 6 or 5. But it's okay, that time I woke up. They're telling me that's okay.